Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 6 of 7 of HolidAMY. But hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be a haul of the polishes that I picked up from the OPI Hello Kitty collection. This is their second Hello Kitty collection. The first one was one of my favorite collections ever. I still love a lot of those polishes. I can link that up in the corner. They re-released my favorite polish in the new collection, so I'm excited about that you can get your hands on that because I talk about it all the time and I always feel bad because it was discontinued. I was going to do a winter polish pick, but I wanted to do this instead because I think it's fun because it's Hello Kitty, but also this is pretty much what I'm going to be wearing all winter long. It's a lot of very wintry, fun, deep dark colors. There's some fun glitter colors and it's just winter vibes. So this is in lieu of my winter polish picks because this is what's going to be on my nails. I do have some swatch sticks and you'll be seeing everything up close, you know, as one does. Gotta get that stick. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the haul. So most of these, like I said, I didn't buy all of them. I should start with saying that. I probably bought about half. A lot of them were kind of similar to ones I already have, or it's just colors I'm not really interested in. These are the ones that I picked up. So I did want this kind of silver white glitter. This is called Glitter to My Heart. I have it swatched by itself, you'll see that. But then I also swatched it on top of this dark blue that's in this collection as well. This one is called My Favorite Gal Pal, which we'll get to that in a minute. But I swatched it on top of both. But I also think it would be beautiful on top of just plain white. So it would kind of look like snow because it's silver and white glitter. I should start off by saying that the tops of these are black with, well, normal ones are black, but they have little white Hello Kitty bows. And then I do have one from the old collection. They were white tops with Hello Kitties all over them. So I like that they're a little bit different. I always love the ones that have different tops because they stand out on my nail polish racks. But yeah, I'm excited about this. It's going to be so beautiful for Christmas time, but also in January and the winter months. It's just a good, really bright silver glitter color. The one that I'm excited they brought back, I have the last version, but it's called Let's Be Friends. It is literally one of my favorite polishes ever. It is so flattering. It is a very light pink. It almost looks white, but it's pink. It is so beautiful. That's probably in my top 5 favorite polishes ever. So I am so excited they brought it back so that other people can get their hands on it. So if you listen to one polish out of this, get this one. It is so good regardless of your skin tone. It is flattering on everyone. It is just the best. And the formula is great. It's so opaque and amazing, and I won't go on too long, but it's amazing. More glitter colors. I actually have this on right now, which I'm not going to show you that up close because I kind of gave myself a very crappy manicure this morning. I tried to touch up the manicure I had, which is a dark green color, and then put this on top, but then it went awry. It looks okay from far away, but up close, it's like a Monet. From far away, it's alright, but up close, it's a total mess. Clueless, anyone? But this one is a beautiful, really festive, Christmassy glittery gold. It's called Glitter All the Way, and you can, as you can see, achieve a full nail. This doesn't have to be a top coat. It is so yellow gold glitter. It's really fun. I still have some of the Mariah Carey Christmas ones, which are a little bit more of a champagne gold or just gold. This one is a bright yellow gold. It is beautiful, and we'll see how the glitter lasts. But I love OPI glitters, and I feel for a while there they were doing some really weird glitters with really thick cut ones that I just wasn't into. But in this, we're back to just good OPI glitters, and I'm really excited about it. Another one I'm really excited about is called Born to Sparkle. It's this really pretty pink one. It's kind of the same exact cut as the silver one, and where it's a little bit thicker but not too thick. And it's just a beautiful kind of blush rose gold glitter. I think it is so pretty. I don't know if I'd wear this on its own. I'd probably put it on top of a light pink, but that would be really pretty for Valentine's Day or something like that. So I'm just excited to try that. This is the glitter I'm probably most excited about because I have been wanting a red glitter for years. And last year I was looking into other brand a red glitter because I wanted to wear red glittery nails on Christmas, but I never bought one, which I'm glad I didn't because, ooh, here. Because I bought this one. This one is called Dream in Glitter, and it is a little bit more of a maroon pink type red, but when I'm planning on wearing this on Christmas, I'm planning on using one of my favorite reds, probably Coca-Cola red. That's my favorite, which is discontinued. I'm really sorry, but that's the best red ever. So I'm planning on just putting this on top of a cream red polish, and I'm hoping it's gonna be pretty. I should probably try that out on a swatch stick before I dedicate my Christmas nails to that. But I think it's so pretty and I am excited about that. Then I saved my 3 favorites for last. First up, we have this purple, which I've already worn and I totally loved. This is called Hello Pretty, which is so cute. This is such a good formula. It's a really good, like, rich, dark, creamy purple that still looks purple and not like black because it's so dark, you know? It still is like just like a deep, dark, rich, but vibrant purple. It's beautiful. I talked about this in my November favorite, so I can link that up there. It's so, so beautiful and I just love it. And I eventually want to try it. I brought both of these to the salon when I was getting it done, but then by the time she was done applying this one, I was so in love with it. I was like, just leave it like that. I'll come back and do the combination at a different time. But this one is called Pile on the Sprinkles. It's a really pretty, like, periwinkle lavender glitter color. I'm not sure it's thick enough on its own to be like opaque, but I did do a swatch on top of the purple color and it is beautiful. It just looks like stars in a purple sky. It's so gorgeous. So I do want to try this combo at some point, but this is also pretty. I put it over What I Am Amethyst, which looks really nice. It would be pretty over white. It's just going to be a fun, like, glitter top coat that I'm excited to play with, and I cannot wait to try that combination. And then last but not least, we have OPI My Favorite Gal Pal. I was hoping that this one, in swatching at least, I haven't tried it so I'm not sure, but in swatching at least this was not as like rich and opaque and creamy as the purple was, because these were my 2 favorite out of the collections. I was like, ooh, those rich, dark, but vibrant colors. But after you swatch it, you do get it to look really like rich and deep and just beautiful, like a navy color. And like I said, it looks really pretty with that silver glitter on top. I might do that next. Ugh, there's just so many choices. But yeah, this is going to be a fun blue to play around with this winter as well. But okay guys, that is it. I feel like I sped through that, but when I haven't tried the polishes, I don't have as much to say. OPI has kind of brought me back to life with their Scotland and OPI collections. I'm like all in it again. Although I did see a photo of the spring 2020 collection, which is themed Mexico City, and they literally all look the same. They're all pinks and reds, and I'm kind of like, I don't know about that. I'll see them in person, I'll see swatches. For now, I just saw like a layout of it, but yeah, so we'll see about that. But for now, I have plenty of polishes to use. I still have a lot of Scotland polishes to use. I hauled those in my fall polish picks, which a lot of those polishes apply to winter as well, so I will link that up in the corner if you want to see it. And as always, when I try these, I'm not gonna post this one on Instagram because it's a hot mess. I post all my manicures on my Instagram, which is at AmyLynnButtchin. And I kind of give you a recap of my thoughts on the polish, and then also I'll mention my favorite polishes in my monthly favorites each month. So lots of nail polish updates if you want them. But yeah guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more nail polish videos, I do have a playlist. I can link it up in the corner. Otherwise, please subscribe. If you don't know, I'm doing HolidAMY, which my name is Amy if you're like new. That is my Christmas series where I upload every other day until Christmas. So subscribe if you want to stick around and catch more videos. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.